Have some. It's good. Oops. Some chamomile tea. It's really good for hormones right now. Yeah, Claire's got a lot of energy this morning. And so she's going to be calm in just a few minutes. And she likes her chamomile tea. And this is just, yeah, see, she's got a lot of energy today. She's been vocalizing since she got up and pacing, and have some tea. Yeah, she likes her tea. So this just takes a few minutes to kind of calm her down. And then what it is it's, I fill it up about 1/4 cup with hot water and steep the chamomile in the hot water for about 3 minutes. And then I add cool water to dilute the chamomile because the straight tea is a little bit too strong for her. So yeah, lots of energy today. So so I'll give her a few sips. I'll show her that it's really yummy, and then I'll put it in her cage so that she can sip on it throughout the day, and that just kind of keeps her hormones at bay a little bit, so that she's not pacing and helloing at me all day and screaming, as that's what happens when she's got a lot of hormones going on. And it'll be good. Have some more. That's a good girl.